Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am back with another application. This application name is Noice Natural Climbing Noise, and this applications of features focus, meditate, relax with natural climbing noise and natural variations in sound using and drowned mist and mindful alarms with gentle sound to awake up and refreshed. Sleep timer to wind down to drift off at night and offline playback to the spotted your anywhere anytime. Save your favorite mix and for your quick tap to play and no ads and elegant design lots of the customizations setting and audio quality and sound feed in duration, sound fade and durations and ignore audio focus and changes and enable media and buttons and playlist explore to the file. Now I am back this application. Now I am starting this application and focus, mediate and the relax and the natural calming noise. For a lot of people and little informative background noise is the helpful. They remain calm and focused. In the some cases, it also boosts productivity and the lower other effects and stress and inexly. Background noise are also mask and generate claims and influence and the improved reading and mediations experience and Noise is an application that allow create a personalized sound and environment in able to and combine different sound in different volume levels to create perfect and ambient these customer sounds and the surrounding that are around and distractions and allow to the constraint to you can also use it to generate the certain peaceful out and that across you can relax and fall asleep and benefits reduce your stress from NXTs using and personalize ambitions and relax and avoid it to price-facing environment of face choice boost your productivity and by replacing distraction noise and improve constructions by being in a consistent atmosphere edit your reading and meditations experience with natural sound space and claim down your babies using relaxing sound and mask and your tunings with saying noise block and distractions on your lay back and the fall asleep start your days of the gentle sound of nature with minimal alarm soothes your migraines and the heads, headaches and free features and rich sound and library Google Cast and the Chromecast enable an auto sleep timer and auto clock with up to the active alarms and make save and your personalized mix and random mix generate to suit your every mood and innovative volume control to each sound and play organize currently playing music player and use material long dynamic colors and Android 12L or higher and advertisement any kinds and Chromecast is only available when to download Noice from Google Play and Premiere features unlock additional audio clip in sound and real and natural sound variation generated on demand and full offline playback and ultra high quality out and streaming and downloading up to 320 kbps and limited active alarms. Keep spotting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.